Welcome back to my channel, and today's video is an update on my skin. Okay, so I have been using the DERMAROLLER by BASELIFT for 3 whole months now, and this month I did things slightly different. Okay, like on my first month I literally dermarolled once a month because I was scared of irritating my skin and stuff like that, and of the pain I was scared of. Second month I dermarolled twice a week. I saw a big difference after dermarolling twice a week, okay, for a whole month. But then I read on BASELIFT's website and a few other dermarolling websites that to dermaroll you need to actually leave your skin for 2 weeks after dermarolling and do not dermaroll again, and that is including on the 0.5 needle, which I was a bit like, really? It's not that deep? Like literally it's not that deep of a roller. But yeah, so this month I have only dermarolled my skin twice. So you know me, I'd like to try things out so you don't have to, and then you can go and do you and buy things or not, trial them or not. So I noticed the most difference when I dermarolled twice a week. I noticed a bit of difference after once a week, and now I've only done twice in a month and there's a weird difference. My skin is still breaking out, and this is down to me. I've told you before, I mean, you know, I've been on Accutane, so that cured my skin. However, your diet is everything, and I drink 2 litres of water every single day. Most days I do 1.5 litres minimum, but definitely do 2 litres to 2.5 litres every single day. So I'm drinking the water, but my problem is sugar. I love sugar. Sugar and dairy make me break out. So I cut out dairy, and I do cheat sometimes. Like I'll have something like a mocha, but if I go out to like Costa, Cafe Nero, Starbucks, whatever, I will get soy milk. But if it's in the packet already, or if it's like a machine at work, I'm just like whatever, and I do have it. And then my work's really bad for sugar, like everyone just buys sugar and I can't resist it, and that is my fault. So that is why I'm breaking out. Right now you can see this side's still quite broken out. Look, I've got a big monster up here, and then I've got some things going on down here. So I'm not impressed with myself, not impressed whatsoever. So when I have only dermarolled twice this month, I've noticed that my skin's still congested, and especially my nose. When I was dermarolling my nose, this was a big thing. Like my blackheads disappeared from my nose because obviously I was putting holes in my nose so that the oils could secrete and clean out, whereas now they're still clogged. So to be honest, I'm not going to listen to that website. I'm going to carry on dermarolling once a week to twice a week, whatever I can actually manage to do. And I did notice the most difference then. But this is another thing with BASELIFT, you know, I use BASELIFT. It is only 0.5 millimeters. If we have a look at my skin, I'm going to come closer. Just ignore me looking in the viewfinder. I'm just trying to show you my skin a little bit more. I have indentations still got that indentation going on. It has reduced with the BASELIFT dermaroller. It really has. I'm not saying that it doesn't work, it does. But however, I do think that because the indentation is quite deep, I'm going to have to use a bigger needle. So I either need 1 millimeter or 2 millimeters, but I know after 1 millimeter you should go to a professional and get it done. I feel like I do need a deeper needle, and this is quite good for just topical, but I still got that deep indentation and that's not going anywhere. My redness has reduced, except for the brand new spots. That's what the red is, that is there, the pigmentation. My pigmentation is pretty much gone otherwise from my old previous spots, my acne, but my indentation is too deep, I think, for the 0.5 needle. So what I'm going to do is I am going to actually go to a professional, get it done 2 mils. I'm going to probably bleed, probably cry. I'm going to get it done because honestly, like, I feel like that's what my skin needs. But for now, I have tested the derma needling for 3 months now. First month, once a week. Second month, twice a week. Third month, twice a month. Yeah, so I only did it 2 weeks ago, and then at the beginning of the month as well. So I'm going to continue to derm needle once a week, and I'm going to go get it done by a professional and see if they can go deeper and get some advice off them. Okay, so I hope that helps, and I hope you do try dermaneedling because it is fantastic. If you're going to try it, use BASELIFT because they are honestly good. I use it, going to continue to use it. I have a 50% off code. The code is MISSPA, so put that in and you get 50% off the whole website. People have already used it, sent me pictures, so continue to do that. If you use my code, please take a picture, send it to me, and I want to see your results as well on your skin. And I want to see how it's going. So remember, do not dermaroll on live acne. Wait for it to calm down. If you've got skin like pretty much clear, almost like me, just avoid the spots because you don't want to puncture them, cause infection, make spots worse. We don't want that. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching. Bye.